So, Namaste guys, I'm Smita Jaikar again back with my dear Tanvi. So, Tanvi, as I had said last time, if you've seen the video last time, Tanvi is a yoga teacher, instructor, right? So, she had one beautiful question last time, and this time also she has a very interesting question. But first, Tanvi, will you introduce yourself?
Namaste. मेरा नाम तन्वी शेट है and I've been into this yoga field since 2.5 years and I've been delighted to work with Smita Tai here. She called me and said that you come and talk to me about yoga, and I also wanted to learn more things from her, and that's why I'm here. And I have one question right now for you. That is, I've heard many people saying why is he behaving like childish, or how immature, how childish that is. So what exactly is the difference between childlike and childish?
Very good, very good. This question is very good, and lots of people don't understand what the difference between childish and childlike behavior. We say this many times to people, ये क्या behavior है? How can you behave like a child like this, So childish. I also say that to myself, my God, I was so childish, what a childish behavior it was, So we know what is childish behavior. Can you tell me from your angle what you think is childish behavior?
I think sometimes we overreact to certain situations and to get a little attention in that particular time. If I want some attention at that time, maybe I get into that childish mode where I don't think about it as much. That is when it occurs to me that I was being a little childish that time.
So I'll tell you, childish behavior is acted out.
Okay.
Childish behavior is not natural, which comes to you natural. It is thought about. It is a reaction to a situation. So suppose I say something to you just now and you just walk out in a rough, and I'll say, oh come on, I was joking, what a childish behavior. Why she walked out just now? Yeah. So it is, it comes out of a sense of ego at times. Somewhere where, as you said earlier, that it is an attention seeking thing. Like the people who are very attention seeking types, So if you don't give them attention, if you're sitting in a group and if this person is not giving attention, he behaves in a very childish fashion. He'll talk something which is very silly. He will act in a very silly fashion. And you say, what's the matter with him? अगर मुंह पे नहीं बोलेंगे तो अंदर तो बोल ही देते. What's wrong with him? How stupid of him to behave like that. So childish behavior is very easily seen with people. दिखता है वो उनका behavior. But childlike behavior is very natural.
Okay.
It is not thought about. It's a spontaneous reaction. Like if you've seen masters, spiritual gurus and things like that, when they will laugh like a child.
Okay.
Like how a child, have you seen a child, how the child reacts and child behaves?
Yeah.
So when you give a child a chocolate, the child has that
smile on the face.
And every time you give a chocolate, the child has the same smile.
Yes.
And the same reaction. We don't have.
Yeah.
In a childish behavior, you don't have. So somebody gives you a chocolate, now I'll say, wow, lovely, how nice, I love chocolates. Again after 5 days you meet me and you give me the same chocolate, say, thank you. Third time I give you the same chocolate. Isn't it?
Yes.
So this is how our reaction changes. I remember one thing which somebody had told me, that how people how they react to sorrow and joy. If I tell you a joke today, which you have not heard before, you will laugh really loudly.
Yes.
I meet you after 5 days and I tell you the same joke again, your laughter might be, yeah, okay. Third time I tell you the joke, you'll smile. And the fourth time I'll say, God, please, I've heard your joke 20 times, now enough.
Yes.
But with sorrow, अगर आपके साथ कोई ट्रेजेडी हुई है, कुछ सैडनेस हुआ है, तो वो चीज़ आप 10 बार रिपीट करेंगे. आप थकते नहीं हैं, सुनने वाला भी थकता नहीं है.
True.
So it is so ironical that when sad things are happening to you, you welcome them. But if good things are happening to you, like a joke or something like that, smile, you get tired of so fast. Correct? So children, when children are in that state all the time, they don't think and act. We think and act. So when we think and act, that our action becomes childish. If it is spontaneous, it is childlike. Understand? So you have to compare yourself with a child always, how the child reacts. Even if you shout at a child or a dog or an animal, if you shout at the animal or if you shout at a child, for that time that child will cry, my mother shouted at me, or my aunt shouted at me, or my sister shouted at me. After some time the child forgets about it. The child will come and play with you. See, I've got some nice pencils for you to draw. The child will come and play with you. It doesn't remember, oh, this one 5 minutes ago she shouted at me. Will you do that?
No.
If somebody says anything to you, you will
hold a grudge.
And you'll behave in a very childish fashion when you meet that person the next time. Because that thing, what that person said some time back, some years ago, is still there. That person has moved on, but you have not. You will still react the same way. Oh, I'm not going to talk to her. I'm going to run away from here. That's childish behavior. Because you're holding on. Children never hold on. So it's childlike. Spirituality, when you go advanced in spirituality, your behavior becomes childlike.
Okay.
There is no grudge. There is no holding on to something. You don't act from that pehle wala behavior, samne wale ke. You know, some days behave like this in front of you. You will still act from there. That doesn't happen with a childlike behavior. Again, a childlike person has no judgment. He will not judge you. He will just take you the way you are. He will not judge. Oh, this one, I don't want to talk to her. I don't like her. ये judgment नहीं आता. ये मेरे standard की नहीं है. ये मेरे बराबरी की नहीं है. ये मेरे जितनी intelligent नहीं है. All that nonsense comes. So that is when you are judging somebody. Childlike behavior will never judge anybody.
So to adapt that childlike behavior today, how can we adapt it? Like, we have to be conscious towards it to realize that, and yeah, I'm supposed to not care about this thing or not hold on to this thing and then behave like that. Like, how do we do that?
No, you cannot. If you're consciously doing it, it's not childlike because it's not spontaneous. ये सिखाया नहीं जाता है. This happens. It has to happen. Now this happens. This is where the spiritual angle comes in.
Okay.
How it happens is when your spiritual levels increase, automatically your behavior is childlike. Your innocence is there. When you smile genuinely. You're not smiling just because okay, मिली है मेरे को दोस्त and hi, how are you? कभी-कभी when you meet people at parties and समझ में आता है कि वो कितने artificially hello, how are you ऐसे करेंगे और निकल जाएंगे. But when a person is genuine, that hello also is in depth. वो feel होता है. किसी को मिलो तो वो feel होता है कि सामने वाला really means
you get that nice vibe about it.
Exactly, that is a childlike behavior. Now this cannot be acted out. All these things in spirituality cannot be acted out. You have to reach that stage. It has to happen to you. Okay? So कल जाके सबको गले लगाओगी ये करोगी तो पता चलेगा सामने वाले को no, she's behaving in a very childish fashion because it's artificial. Because you're acting.
True.
Yeah, you can't act being childlike. You
have to be natural.
Be natural. You are natural when you're childlike.
All right.
When you become, that means you're again acting it out. Samjhi? So you have to become. Now how do you become like that? That is where spirituality comes in. So first and foremost, every human being has to understand that every angle of a life is spirituality.
Okay.
Yeah. Without that, you can't live actually. Whether you believe it or you don't believe it, whether you like the word, you don't like the word, this is life. And you have to understand that you have to, actually it has to become your lifestyle. You don't have to become spiritual. You are actually spiritual. It's just that you don't know.
Okay.
You don't know.
It's the realization we get.
That realization is when किसी ने आपको बोला है, वो तो है ही आपके अंदर. किसी ने वो जलाया है आपके अंदर वो आग कि हाँ, okay, this is what it is. So as you walk on this path, as you learn more about it and you learn more about yourself, what is it inside me, who am I? किसी ने अगर कुछ बोला तो मुझे कैसा लगा? You have to be in touch with your own feelings. मुझे ऐसा बुरा लगा, मुझे अच्छा लगा, मुझे ये लगा, मुझे मैं हर्ट हुआ. These are your feelings. जिसके ऊपर सामने वाले का कोई जोर नहीं है. You can't say सामने वाला इस तरह से क्यों behave किया. You can't change the world. You can only change yourself.
So you think that meditation, getting into that,
Yes, that helps.
helps.
Yeah, that helps. That
Okay.
you have to finally realize कि I have to change. You cannot change the world. When that little changes start happening inside you, then automatically every action of yours becomes spiritual. When that every action of yours becomes spiritual, you automatically become childlike.
All right.
Understand?
Yeah.
So now I have been doing this for so many years.
Okay.
I'm still on that path. I'm not claiming any
Hmm.
big things, but I'm still on that path. Now I've been doing videos for a very long time now.
Hmm.
I was doing my chakra classes for almost 15-20 years.
All right.
The same class, curriculum doesn't change. School mein jaoge to curriculum doesn't
Right.
change. So the same class was going on for so long, but every time I was doing the class, I felt it was new. I felt.
Okay.
People who came for the class felt every time they felt something very very different. But ना एक चीज आप सिखाते रहते हैं, बोर हो जाते हो.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes.
बोलती हूँ मैं इतना सारा हमेशा. I would get fed up of my same talking.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that newness, every time what you're doing, that newness is a childlike situation.
Okay.
When for you, maybe when you're teaching yoga, if you are passionate about doing yoga,
Hmm.
every time you do the same thing. Now for 2 years you've been teaching yoga.
Yes.
Correct? So whenever there's a new client, when you're teaching yoga, do you say, oh God, again have to teach her Anulom, Vilom, Kapalbhati, ये वो ऐसे होता है?
नहीं.
So at that point you are in a childlike situation, because it is new for you every time. It's a new client, it's a new thing.
You know, I've realized this, that when I went into this theory of yoga also. 2 times I've done some course, but I realized that whenever I do that, I get to know some or the other new thing
Correct.
into that. Like, okay, this I can definitely include in my life.
Correct. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So when you are open to ideas, when you're open to things, automatically you are a receiver.
Exactly.
So you have to always be a receiver. Yeah. So when you learn new things and you adapt new things in your things, you know. So when you are child के अंदर कैसे आप कुछ भी भर सकते हो ना? वो एक कच्ची मट्टी है ना,
Exactly,
उसको
yeah.
जो फीड करोगे वो चाइल्ड एब्जॉर्ब करता जाएगा. इस तरह से आपको होना चाहिए कि जो मिलता है I'll absorb it,
Yeah.
I'll absorb it, I know it. Nice. So that newness comes into your thing. So you understand what is childlike
Yes,
and
definitely.
childish behavior?
Yes, definitely. The difference is much more clear now.
Yes, good. So now you aim to be childlike.
Yes, I'll reach there eventually.
You will. Okay guys, thank you so much, and thank you Tanvi
Thank
for
you
being
so
here.
much.
Yeah. And if you
It's a
like the
pleasure.
videos, please do subscribe for them and share them. And again, once again, thank you for watching us.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Namaste.
Namaste.